Welcome back to my channel. It's just a few days before Christmas. This is the final POV walk in my London Christmas series. Tonight, we're focusing on the experience, the atmosphere, the energy, and the feeling of being here. No rush, just walking, observing, and enjoying London at Christmas. So let's walk together and experience London during this festive season. Leicester Square at night is alive. The Christmas market, the ice rink, the crowds, it is the heart of London's festive energy. Even with all the people, there's something special about seeing the ice rink and market together. It's always busy here on the weekends, and you can see why. Everything feels magical at night. You might be wondering why I chose to be in this busy crowd. For me, it's not overwhelming, it's part of the experience. I believe this season is meant for moments like this, for sharing the energy, the joy, and of course, soaking in London's magical Christmas displays. From Leicester Square to Piccadilly Circus, the lights and energy of London keep guiding the way. As we move from Piccadilly Circus onto Regent Street, the lights dazzle above us in perfect rows, twinkling like stars caught in the city. Every building seems dressed for the season, every corner alive with movement. The air is full of energy, laughter, and the unmistakable sense of Christmas. This is London at its most magical. Every city has something special to offer at Christmas. I live just a short train ride from London, and coming here during this season always feels like stepping into a celebration. The lights, the market, the crowds, it's a feeling you can't get anywhere else. Walking past Fortnum and Mason, I can't help but stop. The red facade glows against the night sky, and the windows are filled with incredible displays. The big 2025 sign catches your eye, marking this festive season. It is one of those spots where you feel the heart of London's Christmas spirit in every detail. Walking through Burlington Arcade, it's hard not to notice how lively it is. People all around stopping to look at the windows, taking photos, enjoying the lights. I love how this narrow space makes the city's Christmas spirit feel personal, like you're part of something bigger. Now we're on Bond Street, lined with iconic shops and some of the most popular festive displays in the city. The crowds make it really hard to walk, but that's part of the experience. You just need to pause, take it all in, and feel the magic of the season. At night, London truly comes alive, and during Christmas, it's a city full of light, energy, and festive wonder. The Oars display comes alive with animals, glittering reindeers, sparkling birds, and whimsical creatures all lighting up the night. It's a playful, magical moment in the heart of London's Christmas streets. Chanel also glows with a festive blue ribbon, bringing a touch of magic to the season. Would you rather be here in the crowd or watching this POV walk from home? Let me know in the comments. We're heading back through the crowds, and now it's raining. It's not easy, but every challenge makes the experience better. London only shows this festive spirit once a year, and tourists flock here many inspired by social media to enjoy the lights, markets, and energy. It's hectic, but for those of us who love walks like this, it's part of the magic and a chance to feel Christmas in London at its fullest. And if crowds aren't your thing, you can still enjoy London's festive spirit during the daytime. I've done a weekend walk video showing a calmer experience, and you can find the link in the description below. And now, we're heading out of Bond Street back towards Regent Street. This stretch is, I believe, one of the most popular, full of lights, festive displays, and the unmistakable Christmas spirit. I'm not sure about other years, but today, this section of Regent Street is closed to traffic. The crowds are enormous, yet it feels festive and magical. Holiday makers are just enjoying the moment. No complaints, only excitement. Social media might show a different story, but from what I've seen on this walk, everyone was embracing the Christmas spirit, including me. I want to pause for a moment to say thank you. Walking through the streets, surrounded by lights and crowds is magical, but sharing it with you here makes it even better. Walking through these streets, it's hard not to be amazed by the festive energy, the lights, the displays, and the sheer number of people sharing the Christmas spirit. At the same time, I can understand why locals might feel discouraged from visiting during weekends. The crowds are immense. Hopefully, as the season progresses and Christmas approaches, the streets will quiet down a little, making it easier to enjoy the magic at a slower pace. Exiting Regent Street, we've arrived at Oxford Street. It's one of the busiest shopping streets in London, especially during the holidays. While weekends can feel overwhelming, it's part of the festive magic. Everyone out shopping, enjoying the season, and sharing in the spirit of giving. And now we've arrived at Selfridges. I've always had a great admiration for their display at night. It feels so alive, so festive, and adds beautifully to the magic of the Christmas spirit. This iconic store first opened its doors on Oxford Street in 1909, and over a century later, its windows display maintain a highlight of the season. This year's festive showcase didn't disappoint on our Christmas spirit walk, bringing color, joy, and celebration to everyone here. As the lights glow and the city hums around us, I'm reminded what Christmas is really about. It's not just about the decorations or the markets or even the crowds. It's the moments we share, joy we give and receive, and the little sparks of magic we find in everyday life. Walking through London at this time of year makes you feel it all, the spirit of giving, of togetherness, and of celebration. This is what makes the season really unforgettable. Thank you so much to everyone who walked with me today. I truly appreciate you being here. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, whether you're in London or elsewhere, with family, loved ones, or even enjoying it by yourself. May this season bring peace, hope, joy, and love to each and every one of you.